Hi everyone, it's Bryan with Halepuna Real Estate, and today I just want to give you a quick tutorial of our website, the search features that you may find very useful. So first you need to go to halepunahawaii.com, and here we have a search bar. This search bar can be found on pretty much every web page of our website. Before we do any search, I want to point out this advanced search section. I'm sure you're familiar with this from other real estate websites. You can easily customize your search with the criteria that work for you. Quick example is general features. Say you want a property with an ocean view, all you have to do. And I highly recommend if you are interested in real estate here on Oahu that you use our search bar. You can easily, if you're searching whether for a building or an area on the island, you can easily set the search where you receive auto alerts. It can be set up for immediately when a new property comes on the market, daily, weekly, monthly, all very customizable. For example, say you're looking for a property at Waikiki Banyan, and you can see here auto populates by keyword. We're going to select Waikiki Banyan. You just need to hit the blue search button, and here pops up all the active listings on the market. First, to save search. So if you want to receive any alerts when a new listing comes on the market, you just need to name the search and then select your options for when you want to receive an email or alert via email. Also, if you want to share this page for any reason, you want the link, just click on the share button. It'll create the link for you. And then for any individual property listing, you can save this, you can react to it, comment, or share it with someone. If you click on the listing itself, you have some options up here where you can ask a question, you can request a tour. Down below here, you can also ask a question, schedule a tour. And if you are not on the island and you want a FaceTime tour or me to go take a video tour and send it to you via email, completely happy to do so. Just request it via this button right here. Have these options again, and another neat feature is invite, where by entering an email address you can invite anybody you'd like, and they can also comment on the listing. But below here you can also comment privately with any family and friends. All very easily done. There you have it. Again, I encourage you to take advantage of this feature of our website. If you have any questions at all, you're always welcome to contact me anytime, and you take care.